Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today video I'll be doing a little facial. I don't really have all of the tools, but I'm gonna try a thing. Before you guys go into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Brothers. So guys, I actually get these stuff on Valentine's Day. These were some of my gifts for Valentine's Day. This is the face wash, you know. So you go along, it's very mild, you see that, and it's thick, and you don't really need too much to rub on. It's a bit minty, and you know, I like to use my hands, you know, to massage and stuff. So I'm gonna use like 4 drops. I don't really want too much, you know, because it's strong. It's very minty and it is strong. My hands are clean, and I'm going by massaging it into my face. As you can see, you gotta get those spots out, those bumps. So it's like a face wash before the mask, you know. So this is the face wash, you know. Yes guys, I'm gonna put a little bit more. Let's say I use 4 drops, so I'm gonna use 5 drops. And this is what I'm using, you know. Anyway, as you can see, it feels very replenished. My skin feels so soft. It's a bit sticky though. It's sticky, you know, it's a face wash, you know. So I'm gonna let it sit there for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Guys, after 10 minutes, so I cover my hair because I'm gonna wash my face. Let me push this back a little more. I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna use my face soap. So I'm gonna wash this face. I always try to wash my face 3 times. 3 times. Very minty. So yes guys, finish washing my face. I'm gonna towel dry. So yes guys, as you can see, look at my face already guys. So now, I already ripped the package. Let's do the face now. Guys, don't laugh off at me. It seems excited. So, fortunately guys, it's in a liquid, you know. How this gonna go guys. So guys, this is how it's gonna go. Don't blind me. But I like the parts, yeah. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. This is for the mouth. And guys, it already have the stuffs in it. Oh, guys, remember this is the first time I'm doing this, okay? So don't laugh at me. Please don't laugh at me. You know what? It should have something up your stuff. You know why you're going to have it, but guess what? It has some stuff in here, so So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rub some up here. Since the top have some stuff in there, rub it, guys. You see that? So guys, I'll sit back right here. Let it stay there for 20 minutes. I was gonna say 20 minutes, but it's actually 20 minutes. I don't know if y'all could see it. So I'll be back, guys. So yes, guys. I have 3 minutes leave before I take off the mask. Danny, right? Jesus Christ, not idiot. Guys, look here. Oh. Tell me some of the idiot. Jesus Christ. God, Jesus, come here, say. What is? So guys, guess what? I'm gonna leave it on a little longer. Because it well wet in my mice. I'm not gonna leave it till it dry. Guys, oh my God, I almost speak bad about this mask. Just when God pinched me and said, hey little girl, talk bad about this something. You understand? God just pinched me. Me put it on upside down, you know. Then because I was like, why is it that it cover my nose, it blind my eye, up here so now I get down, because I remember earlier I rubbed the cream from it up here so. But this is actually a good one. You see it? It come round on my face now. So I'm gonna actually leave it a little longer. It actually a dry though. You can feel it a dry. So I was supposed to give it 3 more minutes, which either be 1 minute leave. So because me turn it, I'm actually gonna give it 10 more minutes. You understand? Because you know, so never really did get nothing. Guys, but my face feel alive underneath it. It's just a lot minty. It's very minty. It is. It's minty. This is very minty, and I know the mint in it is gonna give my face a cool. It's gonna be cool. I know that. I'm excited, and the mask is not off as yet. I'm very excited, and let me see. Actually, my girlfriend as in she's my friend. Let it clear. She wants us to go to this spa this weekend. I'm not sure if I'm going, but she wanted us to go. It's like a relaxed day. You know, my nails is already done because I recently done. My toes are done. But it have this thing like you float in the water, keep your hop floating, and it will water massage in your body like for 1 hour straight. So you go there like for 3 hours. I feel so good. I'm just feeling bad that I actually had put on the mask wrong the first time. Can't lift out the thumbnail. So yes. So to my vlog, I'll be back off, guys. Guess what I like with this mask? It is not one of those uncomfortable masks. Oh. The only thing with this now, the next mask now, it actually like pull stuff, but what I like with this so is it's a like and a dislike. The next mask, I think it's pull stuff for your pores. This is a mask, it just covers your skin and it marinates. What the word to use, you know. The face absorb the cream and all of that. I can see it is very moist. It's nice and it's comfortable, you know. So it's a like and a dislike. Well, the dislike is not bad. It's just that the next one, it will pull out the little spot them, cause look here. You see when I do like this, it always has some little stuff come up out your nose and stuff, you see me? So you see my face look, and I don't even wash it off yet. Look at that, guys. You see that? I don't wash it off as yet. And look. Look. You see that? I'm going to wash my face now. Then I'm going to be back. Guys. Whew. I ain't going to tell no lie. Guys, this is the honest truth, just. Can you see that? Is that my face look nice? So this, you can use it at first, but you have to wash it off but before you put on the mask. Because this is something to stay on. So I will put it on back again, guys. This is used by drops. So oops, I think the 4 drops just come out, but I think I'm gonna need 5. You know. Then I'm gonna use my fingers and I'll massage it in. So guys, this is actually a toner. It's it makes your skin get equal. It's a toner. While it's hydrate the skin. It clean the pores, but it can leave on. So you realize I use it first and I use it second to last. Then I'm gonna go and dry my hand. Do you know what this for? So I always suffer with them. I have a nail, so them dark spot business here. Cut it up. I'm rubbing it in for 1 minute. 1 minute. So that it actually massage into the pores. Take your time with your finger, gently rub it around. You know, you want to remove the wrinkles. Whereas if you're a person who don't really get a lot of sleep, this is very good. So, you know, I am a person, I'm always up. So, it's gonna help. So guys, wanna see this? No, tell me if you wanna see it. I want to know comment and be honest. Look, I'm going to close view. You see the pop right there? Guys, look on my face. Sorry about my nose ring. Where is it there? Wow. Guys, my face feel alive. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corbulus. I don't know before girl go at her bed because it's bedtime now. She have put on her Carmax because I know a cold time. So you can't take care of the face and not take care of the lip. So you know, it's a full facial.